I love getting presents in the post. This week I'm after getting a present from beautybuys.com. The Tresemme styler and some frizz is, well, Geico Defy Damage. It's basically going to get rid of all this frizz. So I'm going to do a video, show you how I use it and give you a 10% discount. So today I just washed my hair, let it dry naturally, and I'm going to use this brush attachment to smoothen out my hair. And then I'm going to use this Geico Defying Damage to smooth out the frizz. I'm going to use a grip just to get in at the back bits, and I'm going to use a hairbrush as well just to smoothen out my hair and be able to control it. Let's start by separating. Just from the ear, this ear, around to that ear. Get the hair up out of the way. And so this heats up to about 180 degrees. Have the brush attachment on, and I'm literally just going to wrap the hair around and comb down. Yeah, you can see it's smoothing out already, look. So wrap the hair, comb down, and it'll just smoothen out the hair without too much heat damage. I'm going to do this all over my hair and then style. So with this bit done, I'm just going to spray some of the Geico Defy Damage onto my hairbrush and brush it through. It'll give it a lovely, smooth, silky appearance and take the frizz out of my hair. If you're like me and this part of your hair gets really frizzy because of your jackets or your jumpers, I always wear high collars. This is a brilliant way of smoothing down that hair and keeping it nice and silky. So to make it easier for yourself, now go from your temple to your other temple and just pull that hair up out of your way. Clip it into place, and then you can start section by section. So again, all I'm going to do is just brush through and smooth out that frizz. So spray, brush, smooth. I'm going to throw a few curls in this section here so you can see how it works. I'm going to remove off the comb. Just flick off that end, take off the comb, and now I have my wand. I'm going to curl this section so that I have nice big bouncy pieces at the front. Get your ends in, roll. Make sure you get your ends in, because if you leave them out, you'll have fish hooks. I'm just going to roll back and hold for about 10 seconds. And now to release, I'll just roll it forward and open. Make sure you get your ends in and roll backwards. Hold for 10 seconds. Roll forward. And release. I'm going to do this whole section. One of the most important things you could do when you're styling hair that you've curled, right? Let the curls cool down before you go in and brush them. So I know they look a bit crazy at the moment, but I'm going to let them cool down, and then I'm going to brush them into place, and then I'm going to go back over with the Damage Defy Geico spray to get rid of any frizz and to just give it a nice smooth silk complexion. This is the defined curls, so it's great for giving you those small tight curls. I always make tight curls and then I brush them out and make them into bigger waves. So we're cooled down now. I'm going to spray my Defy Damage onto my brush. I'm going to support the roots of the curls, and then I'm going to brush them down to get a nice wave. Use my fingers to guide the front of the hair into place. Again, go in, support the roots, come through, use my fingers to guide the wave into place. use some white defy damage. Overall, it does exactly what it says on the tin. It gives you defined curls. I would wear a wand with it. I burnt my thumb a couple of times. Beauty Buys are offering all of my followers 10% discount. They do everything. They do aftershaves, perfumes, skincare, makeup, tools like this. I love this Geico Defy Damage. I think it's brilliant. You should go and buy it. Log on to beautybuys.com. Type in the code THANKYOU10 to get your 10% discount. I'm Sarah Naylor. Follow me for more tips on how to nail it in hair and beauty industry.